Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to invest in stocks on Cash App. So let's get started. We're currently on the home page of our Cash App account and on the bottom left hand side of the screen you'll notice it shows $5. If you don't have any money in your account, it'll display a little bank icon. When you click on this, you'll be guided on how to add money into your account so you can make stock purchases. On this same page, you'll see the option to invest with $1. I've already set up my account, but you might be asked a few questions when setting up yours. Most of the setup should be straightforward and quick, so you can get to this screen without much hassle. Now, let's break down what we're looking at. At the top of the screen, you can search for stocks or categories. If you know the company you're interested in, like Nvidia or Apple, you can type their names in directly. Let's dive a little deeper. You'll see three little dots on the screen, and if you're curious about their function, they give you options like setting stock alerts or reinvesting dividends. Reinvesting dividends is a powerful tool that lets you automatically use any profits from your shares to buy more stock, helping to compound your earnings. If you don't have this feature turned on, dividends will be paid directly to your Cash App account, where you can decide whether or not to reinvest. Now, let's head back to the main section. Scrolling down, you'll see different categories like food and drink, health and media, and entertainment to help you browse companies within those sectors. Further down, you'll see the most traded stocks. You can swipe through to check out more companies, and if one catches your eye, like Netflix, you can click on it to go to its detailed page. Continuing down, you'll see the biggest movers of the day, whether their stock prices are going up or down. You can swipe through these as well. At the very bottom of this page, you'll find some learning tools if you want to expand your knowledge about investing. But no worries, I'll cover most of the basics you need to get started with Cash App Invest. Now, let's scroll back up to the top of the screen. You'll see the Buy Stocks section. Clicking on this will bring you to a page that breaks down individual stocks at the top and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, at the bottom. ETFs are essentially collections of stocks bundled together, which can be a good option if you prefer not to pick individual companies. However, for today's example, we'll focus on buying an individual stock. On this page, you'll see a section for stocks that pay dividends as well as the various stock categories we discussed earlier. Near the top, there's an option to view stocks by performance and an advanced tab. This feature allows you to filter stocks based on your specific preferences, also known as stock screening. For today's demo, we'll choose a stock to purchase. At the top of the screen, we're going to type in SOFI. You'll see a chart that's currently set to a one-day view, but you can switch it to 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year to see SOFI's performance over different periods. The stock price isn't immediately visible, but if you click anywhere on the screen, it'll appear, along with more details about the stock's performance. If you're not ready to buy just yet, you can click the Follow button to stay updated on SOFI's news and performance. There's also a Gift button that allows you to gift stock to friends or family members on Cash App. But for now, we'll go to the Buy section. Currently, SOFI's stock price is $7.93, and we only have $5 in our account. But the great thing about Cash App is that it allows you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can invest with as little as $1. Let's click the Buy button and we'll see various denomination options. If you try to buy more than what's in your account, Cash App will pull the funds from your linked bank account. From here, you can also set up automatic investments or make a one-time purchase. For this example, we'll click on the $1 option. After confirming with Face ID, we're taken to the confirmation page. Here, it shows the approximate share price of SOFI, which might fluctuate slightly. It also confirms that we're purchasing a fractional share, about 1.25% of a share with our $1. Over time, as you continue buying small amounts, you can eventually accumulate full shares or more. One last note. There are no fees for purchasing small amounts like $1 at a time. That's a great feature for beginner investors. Since we're doing this on a weekend, the next market open is on Tuesday at 6:30 a.m. When the market opens, this purchase will process automatically. If we were doing this during market hours, it would buy the stock right away. Let's click Schedule, and it confirms that our $1 purchase will go through at the market open. Once scheduled, our balance decreases by $1, which is now set aside for the purchase. If we go back to the main Cash App Invest page, we'll see the transaction is pending until the market opens. You don't need to wake up early to make sure it processes. Cash App handles that for you. If you want to sell stocks later on, you can go back to the company's page and select Sell. You can sell based on a specific dollar amount or sell all your shares. The funds from the sale will be deposited back into your Cash App account, and you can either use them to buy more stocks or withdraw them to your bank account, although it might take a day or two for the withdrawal to complete. If you don't have Cash App, you can use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, and we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.